That black plastic pipe under your basement concrete floor is most likely part of a French drain system, and messing with it could cause some serious water problems down the line. So here's the deal. French drains are designed to collect groundwater and channel it away from your foundation, usually to a sump pump or an outside drainage point. If you're finishing your basement and adding a bathroom with an ejector pump, you definitely want to avoid cutting or damaging that pipe. Instead of trying to move it, consider redesigning your pump room layout so you don't interfere with the pipe's path. If you have to expose the soil around it, replace any disturbed dirt with pea gravel to keep water flowing freely and avoid clogging. Pouring concrete over the pipe isn't unusual, but it does mean you need to be extra careful if you're cutting or drilling into the floor. If cutting the pipe becomes necessary, the best fix is to cut it cleanly and repair with a 90-degree elbow and couplers designed for that pipe size. Keeping the drainage system intact protects your basement from flooding, mold, and foundation damage later on. Always call in a pro if you're unsure about handling the pipe yourself. Water problems aren't something you want to guess on. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make when dealing with pipes under basement floors is accidentally cutting or blocking the French drain, which can lead to water buildup and major flooding issues. Fix that by carefully relocating your work area or repairing the pipe with proper fittings if you must cut it. Another common issue is not replacing disturbed soil with pea gravel, which can cause the drain to clog and stop working effectively. Always swap soil for gravel after digging around the pipe. Lastly, many people overlook how important it is to keep the drainage path clear when pouring concrete. If you cover or damage the pipe without proper precautions, you risk long-term basement water problems. The fix? Plan your bathroom layout around the pipe, and if you have to pour concrete near it, make sure there's enough space and proper materials to maintain drainage. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners like you find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle tricky basement projects without damaging important drainage systems. It also gives contractors a platform to connect with clients looking for skilled pros to get the job done right the first time.